Hey everyone, Matt Schultz, UC Hunting Properties, Northern Wisconsin. I'm here in Cable, Wisconsin on a 646 acre property on the remote Star Lake. This is a 4-season property that offers recreational activities during every season. This is not just a hunting property, this is a recreational wildlife property for the wildlife lovers out there. Imagine yourself sitting on this deck right here, overlooking this beautiful lake behind me, listening to the loons call as the swans swim past and the eagles soar above. Those are the sights and sounds that we see every single day here at Star Lake. For the silent sport enthusiasts, the most pristine kayaking and canoeing experience is had right behind me in northern Wisconsin on the untouched Star Lake. In addition, it borders the National Forest Trail system for both ATV, snowmobile, mountain biking, cross-country skiing, and hiking. This is an incredible resource and an incredible recreation area. These trails, not only on this property, but on the National Forest, are extremely well maintained for all of those sports and will feature many opportunities for you and your family to enjoy not only your property, but the adjoining property on the National Forest. The nice thing about a property that's so turnkey like this is all you have to do is buy it and move your own personal stuff in. This property is ready to go from day one to start using it and making your family memories. The property features a 2-room cabin that's rustic yet comfortable. The cabin is powered by a generator, it's completely off-grid, and it has one of the best views in northern Wisconsin overlooking the entire Star Lake. The bunk room features 8 bunk beds. There's plenty of room for storage and parking. A steel building complements the cabin for storage of gear and equipment. This is a turnkey hunting property that features well-established blinds that are ready to use, that are in good condition. The food plots have been planted this spring and are showing active sign of nice bucks on camera. Elk from the Clam Lake elk herd frequent this property on a regular basis and can often be seen on camera and while traveling throughout the property. This is the only private property on the 105-acre Star Lake. You know, it's funny, even when I was a young kid and I used to fish these other area lakes that are just nearby here, I always wanted to try to find a way into Star Lake just to see what it might offer, and I could never find a way in there. And here, now I am standing, looking over probably the most beautiful lake in northern Wisconsin. I'm Matt Schultz at United Country Real Estate Northern Wisconsin Lifestyle Properties. If you're interested in this property, give me a call. I'd be happy to tell you more about it and set up a time for me to come out here and give you a tour of this property so you can fall in love with it just like I have.